Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to set up your Discord server roles and permissions. Okay guys, so of course to begin, make sure that you have a server created. I will just add it and show you the settings on this test server that I've made. So in order to start, you don't go to these settings, you click on this drop down here, next to where your server name resides. Go here, then you go to server settings. And in here, let's just start with the roles. So go to the roles tab. And here, guys, we have the ability to create a new role. So let's make one. Click here. Okay, now choose the role. So you can just give it a name. Okay, after choosing the name, you can choose the role color. I will just choose yellow. You can choose the image, as you can see, for the role icon. You can also adjust these different settings as well. Allow anyone to mention this role or not. After that, the permissions one, just like we, so this takes us to the permissions. So in here, for a specific role, you can give a certain set of permissions. So as you can see, we have a big list in here. Okay, also we have advanced permissions. So if this role does not explicitly meant to be something more advanced, and you just want to add this role, give this role to people that are just joining, chatting, and all that stuff. So of course you should not set the, for example, admin permissions, managing server, just give this role a simple, just usual set of permissions. For example, add reactions. Okay. For example, add files, use stickers, the usual stuff. Don't allow managing messages, editing them, deleting them. Okay. And then you can just save changes. All right. And now your role is created. So once again, you just set up the role, go to the permissions tab, set any permissions that you wish, and you're good to go. So enjoy Discord, pretty fun thing to use. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe as well.